by the fire and open a bottle of wine? I think we should just reset.
Whoa!
It's a dead end.
Hey, just...
If it's all the same to you, I'm tired, I'm in pain, I'd rather just start fresh.
I'll tell you what, take a few minutes. Coffee's ready. I'll look around for the keys. That's productive.
10 minutes.
Okay?
And then I'm killing you.
Fine.
I can't believe you found coffee. Thank you.
Uh-oh. Sugar, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Ah, hold on. 3. You like 3. There's a shirt over there. Should be your size.
How many times have we been here? How many times? Where are the keys? Where are the goddamn keys? You can fly it, can't you?
No. Well, yes. I mean, I can take off. I'm still working on my landings.
What are we still doing here? You're wasting time.
Rita, if you start that engine, you die. This is as far as you go. No matter what I do. This is as far as you ever make it. There's a mimic, buried, 20 yards away. And it attacks when you start the engine.
Get your weapon and get in the helicopter, Cage.
There's more in the field back there. Only one of us ever makes it.
Get in.
The only thing we haven't tried is a version where you walk away. Just go back to the farmhouse. There's a cellar, there's food. You wait there till I get back. You'll be safe.
I'm a soldier. I volunteered. I'm not walking away.
You die here. Right here. I can't save you. And if I go on and kill the Omega, you're dead. Forever.
Why does it matter what happens to me?
I wish I didn't know you. But I do.